I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating obvious system friction. Update your GPU driver and Windows so the game uses current optimizations. Next, close background apps and overlays because they steal CPU and I/O. Once done, you free memory and reduce context switches. Then set Rust process priority to high and switch your power plan to performance to avoid CPU downclocking. These first actions immediately reduce frame hitches by giving the game consistent CPU/GPU time and fewer I/O interruptions. Once your system is stable, change Rust's in-game settings to reduce heavy CPU and GPU spikes. Lower shadows, particles, and draw distance because those cause unpredictable frame times. Cap FPS a little above your monitor refresh to avoid variance. In your GPU control panel, set the preferred GPU and tweak pre-rendered frames and power management for consistent clocks. If you use adaptive sync, disable VSync in-game. These changes smooth frame delivery by preventing sudden workload surges and GPU driver-side stutters. To finish, verify game files and run a clean launch to confirm stability. Use frame time and FPS tools to watch for spikes and test changes one at a time so you can identify the cause. If stuttering persists, roll back to a previous GPU driver and try a clean boot to rule out third-party interference. Make sure to document each change and its effect. That way, you revert only what didn't help and keep a reproducible setup that minimizes future stutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.